Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So, it is Annotated Bibliography Week with the EAB or Evaluative Annotated Bibliography due on Sunday, October 29th. I'll run through some of the particulars in a minute, but just to go through this week's schedule, we do have discussion board number 12 on the books, which is the work, advanced research work on Google or with Google Scholar, and linking that to the library, Moraine Valley Library site. So it's a quick post. Several great examples of those initial posts and are already in the discussion board as I am filming this on Sunday, the 22nd in the morning. So our responses are due by Friday, and the EAB is due once again on Sunday. So it is important because the annotated bibliography in itself does direct the activities for Chapter 3 and into Chapter 4. The purpose of the annotated bibliography and collecting all the sources and developing that focused knowledge and writing the three-part annotation is for you to use those sources in the writing of the research essay coming up in a few more weeks. So the important takeaway from this is looking for source information that will continue your conversation. So this isn't an ongoing research project. I want to stress to everyone that the sources you work with for the annotated should be used toward your particular topic, research essay. If you find additional sources that will benefit your conversation about your topic, you can add those to the research essay. And no, you do not have to revise the annotated bibliography. Hopefully everybody has established sources across the categories here. One thing I do want to mention is the living sources section. Hopefully everybody has read that particular section in the chapter, Curious Researcher. Also, I note on page 183 how to cite personal interviews. And I want to point out, again, if I haven't, sorry, but interviews have to be completed. Summary of the, well, actually, the source itself has to fall in line with the annotation. Why is the individual credible? What do they add to the conversation? Summary of the interview and how it's relevant to your particular topic. So it has to be completed. The same with a survey. If you want to use Google Forms and conduct a survey, push it out through your social media outlets about what some of your friends and family think about your topic. If it's appropriate, it must be completed. It must be tabulated. You should have some results. The required 8 sources here. I cannot have I can't have the following citation or mention is I'm going to conduct a survey. There is no projection. Everything, if you're using it as one of the basic minimum 8 sources, interviews and surveys must be completed. I hope that's clear for everybody. Remember, this is 8 to 10 sources. The examples in the videos are there due on Sunday. Quick note, the discussion board, as I mentioned earlier, is really an interesting activity. If you follow the steps in the textbook, you can get to the linking the Moraine Valley Library site along with Google Scholar. I had this done on my version of the Google Scholar, and I thought it to be quite interesting. Helps with avoiding some of the paywalls that we encounter using Google Scholar. Like I mentioned at this taping, I have 4 posts so far. All of them were excellent discussions about this particular activity in the discussion board. So if you have any questions or issues regarding the annotated bibliography due at the end of the week or the discussion boards, please send me an email. Good luck.